I think the Revinax solution it's really an original one. I was not aware about this solution, and I think could bring a new aspects in our field and in terms of education and training. This solution allow us to see exactly how we manipulate the materials and how we proceed during complex intervention. And in this way, I think our peers, younger colleagues or other interventionals that are interested about these techniques can learn, and also it's a perfect modality to exchange and to share knowledge through imaging and through professional recording of our work. I think the materials we need a really short time to accommodate with this type of video recording system. After a while, you'll forget that you have the system, but you need to take care because the system can be fragile, and it's a matter to take in account. In terms of difficulty to wear or weight or in comfort, I think you'll really forget that you wear this equipment during the procedure. You'll be focused on what you are doing and on the technical procedure, less than that you wear a video equipment.